That's right, everybody. Good morning. Welcome to Marathon Mondays with Mal. It is a beautiful time to do a pre-recorded episode for you. On this Monday, I'm bringing you something special. The reason I say it's special is because it's a new coach. And we're going to show you a tour of a new coach. That's Coach 1361. This is a beautiful X3 double slide that we just completed, and the owners are taking delivery. And so we're going to take you through this coach and just show you how beautiful it is. But the first thing I want to do, I promised this months ago that I would show you the exterior of 1361. And you know what, John? I'm going to drop these doors so that you can get all the glory of 1361's exterior. This is a beautiful paint job. Take a look at the colors. Now, one of the things that John is using today is the new camera rig, and the quality is going to really show. And so I can't think of a better way to use this camera than to show this paint job. It's beautiful. You want to see the back side of it? 1361, a brand new coach delivering today. And this is a pre-recorded episode, so we're recording it a couple of days before Monday, but I believe today's Thursday. So anyway, one of the things that really shows are the exterior lighting. We added some additional patio lights. You see these right back here, but also all the way down the coach, you see these lights here. Isn't that great? All the way down. And also, this is a really neat detail right here on the fender. This polished piece of stainless. I think it's stainless. I don't know if it's chrome, but it's got the Marathon coach embossed on that right above the rear axle on that fender. We're going to go inside. We're going to take a tour of Coach 1361, and I believe Pete Sutton from the head of our marketing team is inside. He's actually doing photos right now. So we're going to go in there, and we'll be able to show that. Take a look right there at those risers. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? I call it the stairway backsplash. It's just such a beautiful tile work that we've done. Come on in and let's take a look at 1361. And there's Pete Sutton right there.
How you doing, guys?
Working on the photos. So 1361, one of the things that stands out right away are the blinds in the salon are the Roman shades that you also see in the bedroom. And I love the choice of doing that. We've seen this in several, not several coaches, just in a few. 1291, Bernie V's coach, that one stands out. Bernie and Debbie selected Romans throughout, and I think it's a great look. And also, it's really a blackout look, so it keeps the coach very, very dark when they're all down. And of course, Pete has them all down for the photos. All right, beautiful look. It's a very, it's almost like a Hamptons, New England look, but it's just beautiful. I love the flooring in here. These tiles are huge. They look really, really nice. Oh, it's a cool coach. Anyway, here in the galley, let me close this so we can see it all the way, John. I know I don't want to mess too much with Pete's photos, but
We're good.
all right, thanks, brother. So, yeah, I love the poles. It's like this. It's not really a gold. It's almost like a brass or like a polished finish. Not polished finish. Brushed. Thank you, Pete. Sub-Zero refrigerator. I haven't had a lot of chance to look at the new Sub-Zero, and it is bright and beautiful and seems bigger. Pete, have you looked at this new fridge?
I haven't had a chance yet. I'm excited.
Really, really nice. Yep, very, very cool. All right, John, I'm gonna have you come this way and take a look at the fabrics that were selected for the dinette. You've got this really beautiful leather. Now that is a dark blue. And it just corresponds so well to the fabric on the seat backs. And while you're at it, John, right there, take a look at the valance and the styles. It's just a really neat look. You know, a big congratulations to the new owners who selected all of these fabrics and textiles. It's just a really, really look. It's kind of, you know, Ralph Lauren polo-ish from a Hamptons standpoint, in my opinion. Artwork in this coach is beautiful. You'll see it as we fly through the coach. But we're going to head over. I want John to take a look at the half bath. It's right behind John on the driver's side. That's the half bath. Right now the door is open for Pete to take those photos. But take a look at the backsplash is pretty. The fixtures around the sink that John's getting a great shot of right now. Just a really, the wall covering, everything is just so classy. Another example of Marathon answering the call. When a customer says, this is what I want to do, let me close this door. Water closet, art door, accent, and water closet door. Take a look at the feature that is on this door. Isn't that pretty? Yeah, that's really, really nice. I'll open that back up. John, if you want to take a look on the curbside, also known as the patio side, there is your full water closet right there. And what I'm going to do, John, is I'm going to zip right by it because I want to show off that shower with the door open. Take a look at how pretty the tile work is on this shower. Also, let's not, yeah, John's got a good shot of there. Let's not forget to show you that the shower caddy in here that matches. I love the hard surface quality of the shower caddy. Integrates very, very well. Awesome. Awesome. All right. Back here to the bedroom. The bed is all the way down right now. As you can see, it articulates up, of course, but I wanted to be able to show you in all of its glory the Roman shades back here. Of course, there's a very large smart TV right above the window here, the window access. Behind these Roman shades, of course, is the window. But there's just so much detail of this coach. It's so pretty. And you guys know that I love our header here. I believe it's still locked. Oh, no, it's not locked. There it is right there. Take a look at that. Isn't that nice? Lots of room in there. And of course, back here, this is kind of a new thing. If you've seen our X3 builds lately, we had the audio visual over here in the rear closet, which I'm standing in right now. In the rear closet, on the on the curbside, there was always this audio visual. Well, the audio visual has been moved to a strategic place. And look at all of the cabinetry that you achieve when you eliminate all the audio visual taking its place. All of this is now in here for storage. I mean, this is really, really nice to be able to have this space. And, you know, the audio visual is still very important. You've got to be able to access it. And it's in a spot that is still accessible. If you need to get to the audio visual equipment, whether it be for fine tuning, changing, and or servicing, it's still very accessible. Of course, washer, dryer, hanger board in here. Customers requested a few things in there, so that's really nice to have. But a dog leg or a 90 degree up here, achieving about 5 feet of hanger bar space from here over to here. It's really nice. Really, really nice. Oh, I didn't notice this bird on the decor. Very cool. Anyway, Coach 1361, another home run for the Marathon team. John, I'm going to swap spots with you. If you want to come over where I'm standing, I want to show a few other things. Shirt closet. Look at the detail of the towels. Even the towels match. It's so cool. Decor is a big part. This tray is really nice too because it matches perfectly. Decor is such a huge part of the coach. It's part of not just of the presentation for photos and videos and people coming in, hey, let me see your new coach. It's such a big part of the living and the entire feel and experience of the coach. So, oh boy, these are nice and long. Look at that. Big drawers, and there's 4 of them. That's great. So you got that big closet there. You got all that storage underneath the TV over there. You got the shirt closet here, and then bam, you got another closet here with, as Richard Lawrence would say, the check me mirror. Very cool. Yeah, I love it. Big drawers underneath here. These are nice and big. I'm a big storage guy. I don't get rid of anything, you guys. So for those of you who know me personally, I keep everything. It's awesome. Absolutely pretty. What a good job by all on our production floor, our design team, our engineering team. All right, check this out. This is one of my favorite features of this coach. By request, take a look at the sofa. With the hold of a button, the sofa is an electronic extend. So it's not a jackknife. It jackknifes with electric power. And that is a big cool thing. And also for sleeping quarters, if someone wants to sleep on this bed, we've got a wedge pillow that goes in the middle there. It's a really good design. Very, very pretty. The pillows don't even have to be replaced. It's very, very soft in its manipulation. That's great. John, let's look at this occasional table and this recliner. I love the leather color of this recliner. Maybe because we do so many browns and blacks and creams, but look at that beautiful blue. And it's a really nice modern feeling style to that seat. And of course it is a recliner. Very nice. And then this is a workspace. Also something we've seen before in a few coaches, but take a look at that. You've got the printer table that comes out, and you've also got a keyboard spot right here that comes out. 3 drawers with a cocktail table that comes out here. That's nice. Storage behind the driver. Very, very nice. Yeah, and the cockpit being this blue, this is a very light, it's a very dark blue, so it doesn't come off like a light blue is what I was going to say. This is really a pretty, pretty color, and it just goes with the whole theme of this coach. It's well done. It's not, let's cut that. This is just a really, really pretty coach, and I'm really happy for the new owners of Coach 1361. So that is about it on a tour of the... John, we got to show them the bays. I got one cool thing to show you. Let's go outside. Okay, back outside the coach. I want to show you one more thing before we get out of here on this Monday morning. It's a double slide out, you guys. How cool is that? So and we've got Marathon logos on the ends. I'm really a fan of that. So if you only want one side out, the whole side extends out on power and back in. And so you've got 2 of those. And I like the finishing touch with the Marathon logos on the ends of that. Let's close this guy down. Oh, you know what I want to see? Marathon. Everybody loves to see these. Isn't that pretty? Very, very cool. Let's close this guy down. All right. That's about it for Coach 1361 and this pre-recorded episode. For all of you out there, thank you for supporting this show. But before we get out of here, I can't say enough about the staff here at Marathon. To get this coach completed, to get it done and ready for the customers who are here today when we're recording this, from every department, they came together, from management on down. So many different departments came together to get this done. The customers are very happy with it. So thank you to everyone here at Marathon that builds this. This is an Oregonian-made product. Like I've said before, our coaches are not perfect. When they roll out the door, they're not perfect, but we are the best at building luxury coaches on the Prevost chassis. We are the best in the world at converting the Prevost chassis to a luxury RV. And it's made by Oregonians right here off of Interstate 5 in Coburg, Oregon. So a big thanks to everybody here at Marathon who came together to build Coach 1361. Be yourself and do good things. I'm gonna get out of here for this Monday. Take care of each other, and big thanks to John for hanging out with me to do this episode. 2 fingers, I'm out. That was 4 fingers.